Hey everybody, my name is Jelle and you're watching to my YouTube channel. 1.5 years ago we bought a 1951 house and we decided to completely renovate the house as it was basically worn out completely and really bad insulated. So we tore everything out and we started renovating the whole house. Besides that, we also built an extension and we cleaned out the complete garden to get rid of all the garbage which was in the ground. So if you want to see any of that, watch the previous videos of this series. And now we're gonna continue with the ceilings and the walls as we have a lot of drywalling to do. So let's go there. Alright, so since the floor is in, the next step is gonna be to put in the ceiling. So I put a piece of iron up there where we can mount the laser on. And then we're gonna build everything out of metalstud. So I got a few profiles here and I'm just gonna experiment a bit first how it works, because I don't know, I just have to figure it out. Watch a lot on the internet and YouTube and then start mounting them up there all around the room. And once I got the outsides mounted, then I can do all the inside profiles. And if we done all that, then we should get a nice ceiling. Alright, so we got all the insulation in the roof, which means we can continue making the roof construction with the metal beams. And I also started on making a box around this beam here, so that we can cover it all with drywall and that we can stick it really nice, because we want to plaster the whole house, so we just need to prepare for that. Alright, so we got all the metal stud in the living room for the ceiling. I also made these up here, now in metal stud. I did make them in wood before, but I didn't quite like it, as the wood just wasn't straight. And with metal stud, you just know it's straight, so that's one of the big advantages of metal stud. And I also did some work in the hallway, so we got here a little bit of ceiling up, and my girlfriend is putting up the rest of the ceiling here. And same goes for the stairway. I got this all leveled out, and I'm now working on this part. But for tonight I'm going home because I need to drill some holes in the wall, but it's too late to do that, so I don't want to disturb the neighbors. So we're heading home and we can do the drilling another day. Alright, so I got the first upstairs room ready. So I made all the steel work and all the woodwork to finally put the drywall on. And I think this is looking quite nice. I only need to make 2 or 3 more pieces of metal in here. And I need to make some kind of junction, because there is no way around getting a higher ceiling there than there. Because here the beams are hanging too low, and there the window sits too low. And I do want to be able to open my window, so I need to raise it up a little bit in the dormer window, so that way the window can still open properly. There's nothing you can do about these things. I mean, the windows were measured, I think, almost a year ago at this moment. And there's just some things that work out a little bit different than you planned them in the first time. But I like the windows being up high as they are, because it still gives you a bit privacy upstairs, because nobody's looking into the bedrooms that way. But still, yeah, we need to play a little bit with the ceilings, but in the end we can be creative with it and make something nice of it. So we'll get it solved. It's just a little bit of extra work again. So today we made a lot of progress again. So I made a box here for the whole room window, so that we can actually work around it with drywall. And we also started ceiling work on this side. And placing the metal is not the hard part. The hard part is to get a straight point there, because I cannot laser it out. So we had to cross some wires everywhere to figure out what's straight, and then get to work from there. So that's how we build up these ceilings. Getting a reference is the hardest part. Well, yesterday was Sunday. I forgot my camera, but we've been working here the whole day, and we made this whole ceiling here. And it doesn't look like much, but trust me, this is a lot of work because I could not just angle the laser out and get it set up. I just had to measure a lot to get everything straight. I did have to build that roof window from the inside, so the interior side is now done. And we can actually put drywall up to it. So I'm really happy that we got this one done, as this one was an annoying one on height, and that's not really what I like. So now we're continuing upstairs, as we need to do the whole ceiling upstairs as well. Well, I do make mistakes as well. So I made that nice edge there all around to make beams go over the toilet room, but this is gonna be our attic entrance, so it means that we need this open. So let's redo that so that we can keep this open, because this doesn't really work like this. Just little mistakes or something. Well, upstairs we got all the ceilings in now. So we got the special construction above. The dormer windows made. I just need to do some side fixing here and there. But mostly we got everything in. And we also got it on the correct measurements at this moment. So every 30 centimeters there's a beam, which is going to deliver us a solid ceiling. So yeah, that worked out really nice.